Hello everyone, welcome to Lendpoint. This is a fully working loan management SaaS built using Django Tenants, and React for the front end. In this series, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to design, build, and ship this loan management SaaS. We will cover everything from low-level system design, where I will answer all the questions on the architectural designs and patterns. After fully understanding the system design and the architectural decisions, we will move to the system component such as member management, loan management, reports, as well as third-party integrations. In member management, we'll cover everything from member onboarding via the admin as well as member registration via USSD. We will also cover how members can apply for loan using USSD, check for their loan limits, as well as request for mini statements via USSD and get them sent via the email. Next, we'll move to loan management, where we'll cover the entire loan cycle from loan origination to loan approval and dispersal. We'll cover how to add the different types of loan products, how to approve the loans, and also how to disburse the loans via the B2C APIs. We will also cover all the loan accounting and financial reports. I'll also be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to add AI integration into your system using Vertex AI for credit score into your system, and also adding fraud detection insights for member identity. Once we're done with the admin dashboard, we'll also be building a member dashboard where members will be able to access their mini statements as well as loan reports via the member portal. Then lastly, once the system is ready, we will be deploying the system using Docker, Google Cloud Run, and also adding a custom domain for the project. So whether you're a beginner and have never touched multi-tenancy as a Django developer, then this video is right for you. I will be covering and explaining everything in a step-by-step approach, which will be easy for you to understand and follow along. So the first episode is going to be the system design, that is going to cover everything from the architectural system design and patterns. So if you're looking forward to build and ship something real, then this is for you. So make sure to give a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.